Hey, Coco, what kind of date is today?
The day for a hike.
You want to go for a hike in the woods?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. There's a lot of trees around here. How did you get all the way in the woods?
I don't know.
You don't know? Are you lost?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Let's have some fun, even though we're lost. I hear a plane.
I can't see it.
It's very cloudy up there.
Oh.
We're not lost. We're okay. All right, let's go for a hike. This way.
Right there?
Yeah.
Whoa, that looks very scary.
Does it?
Yeah.
There's a lot of trees around here.
Whoa.
Oh, let me clear the way for you. Hold on. Clear the path. There you go. How far are you gonna go? How far are you gonna go?
Whoa, this is scary.
Are you going all the way down there?
Yeah.
That's wild.
What?
That is wild. Do you need my hand?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Whoa! Whoa!
Made it.
That's scary.
You wanna go back up?
No, I'm gonna crunch easily because they are giant.
Do you like crunching leaves?
Yeah. Whoa, look at this big one. Big one. Huh?
Oh, you crushed it. Why do you like crushing leaves?
Because they're so crunchy. Are they yummy?
I don't think they're yummy. Maybe to the animals they are. I think we should go back up.
Why?
Because we're not moving. We're stuck.
We're not.
I want to move. Let's move.
That was fun.
That was fun. Let's keep going. You want to go back that way?
Yeah.
Let's go this way. Let's go see the trees down here.
Wow. Wow. Whoa, we here. Whoa, we think we're lost.
It's a maze.
A maze?
Uh-huh.
Why are we doing a maze?
There's just a lot of trees and you're just making your way through them.
Wading away through?
Yes.
Why? That's weird.
All these trees are so dry. If you stand on them, they'll break.
What?
All these trees are so dry. If you stand on them, they'll break.
Why?
Because they're dry. Try to break that part.
Okay.
Give it a hard push. 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 Push.
Ow.
You almost did it. You got it. You took it all off.
Okay.
That's pretty cool. Are you going to keep that?
Yeah. Wait. Whoa, I got it.
You got more.
Whoa, this one looks like a dinosaur.
Does it?
It does. I don't know what kind of dinosaur stick is it. That was very weird. I'll hold this one down. Whoa!
You got 3. You're stacking up on sticks, honey.
I'm not. I'm just holding them.
Are you going to keep them?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Maybe you can get that big one right there. Try to pull that big one out.
This one.
This one right here. Pull it up. You see? Came out so easily.
Now throw them.
Throw.
They're gonna move. Oh, maybe we want a big one. This one. Not a big one. That one's bigger. But this is the biggest one. I am.
Come on. I'm clearing the way for you. All these little brushes gotta go. Come on. Oh, I see a big boulder.
Where?
Over there.
Let me go see.
Hurry, come on. Let's go check it out. Watch that
Whoa.
stick. Get it away from your face. Break it.
Whoa, that was weird. Now let's go up here and see the big boulder.
Ooh, a cactus. Check this out, Coco. What happens if you touch that?
It will poke.
You want to touch it?
No.
Absolutely not. Look at it.
Wow, pretty.
It is pretty. Do you like it?
Yeah, there's colors.
I know. Very colorful. There's more right there.
Mama, come check out the big boulder. I found more. I found another one. And another one.
It's
and
a lot
another
of,
one.
oh no.
What?
It's a cactus farm right here.
Oh no.
Look at all of them on the ground.
How do we get through?
We can walk, girl. That's why you have these nice hiking shoes on. So they're not gonna bother you with these shoes on.
Ah! I saw it fly. I saw it fly.
You saw the fly?
Yeah. It
Alright,
just
come on.
passed me.
Let's go check out the boulder.
Whoa. Whoa. I'm gonna pass them right now because they're scary. Whoa, those are big ones. Look at those big ones. Where's the
Those are
big
big.
boulder now?
It's right there.
Oh, I will pass these weird things. Oh, I step on the rock. Be careful.
Yes. Be very careful.
Okay.
Doing it.
Whoa. Whoa. Ah,
That's a massive rock. Whoa.
let me. Can we even climb up this thing?
What's under there, Coco?
Leaves?
What's that? What's the hole?
It's just a cave.
Oh wow. Is that a cave?
It is.
Oh no. Wonder who lives in there.
I don't know. That looks very scary.
Maybe a snake
I don't know.
or a frog.
Or maybe a fly.
Maybe a raccoon or a squirrel.
Or maybe the baddest thing I ever seen. Maybe spider. Maybe a spider.
I think it's a spider.
I don't know.
I don't know, but I don't want to get bit by a spider. So let's leave Spider's cave alone and go do other things. How about we climb this boulder?
How?
I'll figure it out.
How?
All right. I'm gonna try to climb the boulder, okay? Coco, I did it.
Ah! I want to go right now.
You wanna climb up here?
Yes.
Okay, I'll come get you. Hold on.
Don't kill him on me.
Hi. What happened?
I found something in the room.
What?
Be very careful.
Okay, I'll try my best.
I found a weird thing.
Oh, wow.
What the heck is that?
That looks like a little plant. Let's see. How did you find this?
I don't know.
That's good observation, honey.
Oh, is it fluffy? Can I touch it?
Yeah, you can. Be careful, though.
Be careful to what?
Wow.
Be careful to what?
Maybe it's a plant that's not to be touched.
I can touch it.
I don't know what this plant is, but it's pretty cool. It's cute. Yeah, I think we can touch it. It's fine. Just don't break the leaves, okay? Is it soft?
It is.
What does it feel like?
It feels like my friend Nigel. It feels like my Nigel.
You see that soft? Is the plant that soft?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That is really cool.
Now let's go explore.
Good observation. I'm glad you found that plant.
Daddy, it's very scary.
All right, go on. I cleared that way for you. Are you gonna try to go under there? Climb over.
Climb. Okay.
Oh, wow. Maybe I'm too big to get under there. Ow, you got poked in the head?
Yeah.
Careful.
Okay. Oh, Daddy, move this piece.
Hold on, I gotta get over there. Whoa.
There's yellow paint on there.
Yeah, yellow stuff on the trees, huh?
Yeah.
Are you talking about this?
Yes, I am. Weird.
It's beautiful though, isn't
You
it?
forgot to move this thing.
Okay, let's move that. There we go. I got it. What are you doing all the way over here though?
It's scary.
You wanted to see the other side of the boulder?
Yeah.
Okay.
I thought I was riding a horse, but I'm riding the stick.
You want to see something cool?
What?
Look at this plant growing in the tree.
And not growing.
Yes, it is. Look at it. That's a growing plant. Growing from the tree. I mean, growing from the rock. I think that is very cool. What do you think?
Daddy, should we climb up to the top?
We can't climb from this side because we don't have anything to get our grip or hold on to. All right, so we get out of this part. Go on. Get out of this maze.
There's another one and another one.
Where? I'll come clear the way for you. Hold on.
I see another one.
Where?
Right
Oh,
there by that tree.
where?
Right there by that tree.
Right here?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Those are cool little plants, aren't they?
Yeah, that one is a good one too. You forgot to clear away.
I got it. See? That's why I came all the way around here.
I don't want to step on them.
Coco, come over here.
So scary.
Come here, Coco. You gotta come see this. You gotta come see the rock from this side, baby.
Daddy, you gotta move these pieces.
Oh, you can't make it?
No, you gotta move
Okay,
these
I gotta clear the way for you.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, okay, I'll do that. Come on, let's go. Well, you have to see the rock from this side, baby. Come on, go see. Whoa. You have to see the boulder from this side. Look up. Look at this. Look what it looks like. It looks like there's a flat rock right there growing on the big boulder. That's very impressive.
Right here.
Yeah.
Mike, come on the other side.
That is, I don't think we have a way to go all the way around. See?
Look at this.
We're blocked off right there. We won't make it.
Look at this.
What do you think that is?
It's paint. Or rocks. I don't know.
You like that?
Well, I hear it.
You got some under your nail?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Let's go now.
And this is a big rock.
Daddy, no.
What?
More cactuses.
It's gonna be a lot, baby. Come on.
No.
It's
I
like a
don't
farm.
like cactuses.
Oh no, I think we're at the end of our hike. 'Cause guess what? This is a fence.
A fence? Where?
Yeah, right here. Look. You see the wires?
We can't go.
We can't go any further, baby, because we can't trespass.
Why?
Because it's not the right thing to do. So we have to turn back. I had no idea there was a fence down here, baby girl. And it stretches all the way that way and all the way that way. So we won't be able to cross the fence. Okay? So we're just gonna have to get a look at what's on the other side and turn around.
Daddy,
Yeah.
I'm gonna be poked again.
All right, come on, let's go back up the hill.
There's not that green paint on it. I can really stand on this thing and it's wobbly. Daddy, let's go past.
All right, that was a quick vlog. Ooh,
Hey.
ooh.
Oh. Wow, cool. Cool.
They're little pebbles,
Oh.
little beans.
Oh, they're so cute. What ones are is that rabbit one?
You know what? I don't know. But we can keep guessing.
Is it Mom, Daddy?
Yes.
We can't step on it.
We can step on it.
Because we want poop on our shoes.
We don't want to get poop on our shoes, right?
Let's see if we can find some more.
You want to find more poop?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I don't want to step on it.
All right, so
That looks so cool. Good job.
Coco, we're gonna go search for poop and whatever else we can find that we shouldn't be looking for. But whatever Coco says, that's what we'll do, right?
So we got it so close.
So we're gonna say.
Whoa, I really see it right now. Whoa.
So we're gonna say goodbye to everyone
Why?
because we're gonna go search for poop, but we don't want to show the world poop, right?
I want to touch it. I'm gonna hit it when you're done.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
We'll catch you guys in the next video.